Welcome to the final part of our ASP.NET Employee Manager series. In this video, you will learn how to deploy your web application locally using IIS or simply run it outside Visual Studio. We will publish the project from Visual Studio, configure IIS, set up the virtual directory, and make sure the app connects properly to your SQL Server database. Start by publishing the project using Visual Studio's File System option. This generates a deployable version of your app, including .aspx, .dll, and webconfig files. Now go to IIS Manager under Default Website, add a new application, choose an alias and link it to the published folder. Make sure to use the correct .NET App pool. Once deployed, test your site in browser using localhost. Make sure all functions like login, insert, update, and delete are working as expected. You may encounter common issues like 500 errors or login failures. These are usually due to missing permissions, incorrect database path, or missing DLLs. Recheck your connection string and republish if needed. To connect your deployed site to a real SQL server, update your connection string in web.config with the production server name and credentials. For production use, consider adding security features, backing up your data, and setting up custom domain access. These steps take your app to the next level.